I thought I'd spend a few hours on the Mexi Buglery zone. I've ripped out most of the wiring that was put in. See from previous videos I had this household red wire in, but I'm going back to stock, get it all cleaned up, so we'll get everything working properly. We've even got the original switches and relays. Also today, painted the inside of the wing up, just used black hammerite. Just the previous repairs there, no hose, which is good. Also out rim in black of the wheel. Might paint these black. See what's what. Check inside because I've got. That's the driver's wing, all done. I know Bob Schoolpads loves the old Mexi Bug, so I'm doing this for you, sir. Congrats on winning the hat off Bad Chad. This Beetle deserves a good going over. I've got red paint for the bonnet, or I may rust it out, see what it's like with a rusty wing on. It's all looking good. Had a week off due to personal reasons, but slowly getting there. Done a bit on the trek over the weekend. Sort of grind back the windscreen surround. This side's all solid. Just that corner over there. Another friend, Craig Hanlon, mentioned a couple months ago about a brake press. I've got one for the vice, so I bend up all my metal, so that one's there, so that's good. I've also got a bead roller for the vice as well. That's the tool I'm using. Started to clean up the firewall, get all this painted in between the Mexi. So that's what's been happening last couple of days. With that, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and comment. Thank you, appreciate it.